Hi there, students. To glow, a verb. Glowing, the adjective. Glowingly, the adverb. And a glow, a countable noun. Okay, if something glows, it shines, but it shines brightly and steadily. Let's see, when you have a fire, you put your wood on your fire and it burns and there are lots of flames. And then after that, the flames disappear and the embers, the bits at the left, these that are left, these glow. And this is the particularly common for the verb to glow. The embers glowed in the dark. So to glow, to shine. And then we use it more metaphorically, something that has a bright reddish colour. So I went for a walk outside and it was really, really cold. And afterwards my cheeks were glowing. Yeah, they were red. Okay, so if something glows, it's like radiating heat. Yeah, somebody could be glowing. For example, when I passed my Cambridge proficiency exam, I was glowing with pride. Yeah, I was exuberant. I was radiant with pride. So it's this luminosity, this light. I looked down on the city from the mountain and I could see the glow of the city lights. Yeah, the city lights were glowing. You could feel a sense of warm sensation. I felt a warm glow inside me, having helped my friends. So it's like a warm feeling of pleasure, a feeling of well-being. Yeah, to feel really good about something. Okay, so to glow, to produce light and maybe some heat as well. So something that is radioactive, we all imagine that it glows in the dark. I was thinking about a glowworm. You know this insect that flies around and it produces light? Well, this is called a glowworm because the glowworm glows in the dark. It shines in the dark. So to glow, a dull, steady light from a fire when there are no flames. I could see the glow of her cigarette in the dark. Yeah, the light, the gleam, the shine. And then let's see, a glow, if you are glowing, it could be a pink colour on somebody's face, usually because they're very healthy or they've been exercising. Yeah, ladies seem to glow after sex. Okay, so it's this red colour. My cheeks were glowing when I came in out of the cold. You could feel a glow of satisfaction, a glow of achievement, because you've done something that's really good. You feel really pleased with yourself, or because something has happened, something good has happened. Yeah, I felt a glow of satisfaction at having won the prize. And then something glows with a dull, steady light. The evening sun glowed on the horizon. Okay, so it glows. I think this glow, a glowing colour, it's bright but warm and comfortable. Yeah, so if you use the right colours to decorate to paint your walls, then the room will glow. Yeah. You're driving at night and the instrument panel glows in the dark, it shines. Yeah, or this is something I like. When it's raining, if you go outside or when it's just stopped raining, you go outside and you look at the plants and they glow. There's this glowing green colour. It's this bright, healthy, shining green colour. Yeah, they are glowing. To glow with an emotion, to glow with pleasure. Yeah, okay, and I think this is to glow. Um, okay, so formality, to glow. 5 in formality. Use absolutely anywhere. And let's see, this comes from Proto-Germanic gloana, which I think means to glow or to shine. Yeah, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European gel, yeah, which is the same. I have a feeling that this word gold or glass or something like that is probably related to this as well. Okay, so glow. To emit light, to radiate heat, to show emotion, to shine brightly and steadily, yeah, to be proud about something. Okay, so to glow. Enough. Yeah, I did give the formality. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Glow, glowing, glowingly.